Hello, today I would like to talk about the modern technologies. Actually, in our daily life, we maybe use it. Look it, it's coffee. So, I discuss the coffee machine, dividing into three parts. 1. Introduction the modern technology about coffee machine. 2. Why is my favorite? 3. Why coffee machines is so important to me. Firstly, it's pretty easy to use. You simply put a small pot with the pre-mixed coffees, pour into the top, and turn it on. The coffee comes out into a mug you put underneath. I think coffee machines look pretty sexy. Then, my favorite coffee machines. I'm a coffee junkie. So, my coffee machine is absolutely essential to me, and some things I could not live without on a study day. I may have 1 or 2 cups before I leave for my university, and the 3 or 4 then I get for finalist. Why a coffee machine is so important to me? I'm about coffees and I drink a lot of it every day. If I didn't have this modern technology, I would have to mix my coffee myself which would be take 2 time. If it's not from the machines. Alternatives, I would have to go without coffee, which doesn't bring about. In conclusion, this is my most important technology of modern in my life. Thank you. I hope you like it. Bye.